Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Saima and today we will discuss cell injury and cell death. Cell injury is the reversible or irreversible damage to cellular structure and function caused by stress exceeding the cell's adaptive capacity. Reversible injury hallmark: cellular swelling, fatty change, decreased ATP, membrane blebs. Irreversible injury hallmark: membrane damage, calcium influx, mitochondrial damage, lysosomal rupture. Cell death is an event in the cell cycle where the cell dies. Cell death is the permanent loss of cell viability due to severe or irreversible injury occurring by necrosis or apoptosis. Necrosis: uncontrolled cell death due to injury result in membrane rupture and inflammation. Apoptosis: programmed cell death. Programmed energy dependent cell death, no inflammation. Most sensitive indicator of cell injury: loss of membrane integrity, leakage of enzymes. Earliest sign of reversible injury is cellular and mitochondrial swelling, hydropic change. Nuclear changes mnemonic PKC. Pycnosis: shrink, karyorrhexis fragment, karyolysis fade. Free radical damage mediated by lipid peroxidation, protein modification, DNA breaks. Ischemia, reversibility cutoff. Myocardium, irreversible ischemia after 20 to 30 minutes. Coagulative necrosis, preserved architecture, infarct in solid organs except brain. Liquefactive necrosis, brain infarct and abscesses, neutrophils, enzyme digest tissue. Caseous necrosis, TB granuloma, cheese-like mixture of coagulative and liquefactive. Fat necrosis, in acute pancreatitis, lipase breaks fat, chalky deposits. Fibrinoid necrosis, immune complexes in vessel walls, malignant hypertension, vasculitis. Apoptosis pathway, intrinsic BAX or BAC BCL2 cytochrome release, extrinsic FAS, FSL or TNF alpha. Caspase hallmark, caspase activation, apoptosis. Free radical scavengers, SOD catalase, glutathione peroxidase. Reperfusion injury, ROS plus increased calcium and inflammation worsen tissue death. Carbon tetrachloride injury, carbon tetrachloride free radicals and lipid peroxidation result in fatty liver. Hypoxia without ischemia. Anemia, carbon monoxide poisoning, methemoglobinemia. Carbon monoxide poisoning hallmark: cherry red skin, normal oxygen pressure, decreased SaO2. Metaplasia example: Barrett esophagus, squamous to columnar epithelium due to acid. Thank you.